What's going on, guys? So in the last video you would have seen that I took the front end of the Dakota apart. Today I'm hoping my buddy Sam will be out here and we can yank this motor out of there. I don't know how achievable that is, but it seems like it'll be pretty simple. I just have the exhaust to undo, the transmission cross member, and the motor mounts, I believe. That really should be it. And then we're gonna have to jack the front end up, put on the load leveler, and get the engine hoist out. But yeah, so before Sam gets here, I'm gonna start working on getting the exhaust off, potentially draining the rest of the coolant from the block. There should be some ports on the side of the block that I should be able to undo. But yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys up again, and I'm gonna get to work. So. Alright, so Sam got here. He helped me get rid of the exhaust. I got the drive shaft out of there. We're now going to be going underneath and working on the, man, can't see anything. Let's see. The transmission cross member. I've actually never taken out the whole cross member, so we'll see how well that goes. But yeah, so we're gonna unbolt that guy, and then we gotta unbolt the shifter in here. Should be pretty simple, just 4 bolts. And then once that's out, we've just got the 2 engine mount bolts, which are super easy to get to from here without the core support. So then this thing should just plop right out. Right, Sam? It's gonna be great. All right, so we're gonna get to work. All right, so we got basically everything unhooked. We just have the motor mount bolts to undo now. Trans cross members all loosened and everything. Once we lift the engine up a little bit, we'll be able to swing that thing out of there. And then, yeah, this should come out smoothly, hopefully. We'll find out, I guess. But so we're just gonna clean up this mess that I made first, and then get the cherry picker under there and start working on it. So we'll get to work, and you guys will see the process as it goes. Look at that guy, freaking working. All right, as you can see, the motor is out. It went fairly smooth, probably the smoothest I've ever had this motor come out. Taking the front end was a game changer. So now we're going to get the truck off the jack stands. We're going to wheel it out, going to clean up the floor in here. And then I'm going to change spots with this motor and the HEMI. Got to clear some space over there, but yeah, so I will get you guys set up again and we'll work through that. All right, so it looks like we got the motor out, trans out, everything like that. Looks pretty good under here. It should. I mean, we just did it, but I think that's probably going to do it for today's video. In upcoming videos, I'm going to be looking at the trans mount that I got, actually mounting up the transmission to the HEMI. I should have everything that I need there. I think there's still a few miscellaneous things that I need for this guy, but I can't think of them off the top of my head. But soon that thing will be going in. Before then, I know I got to replace this with a smaller one. I don't know what I'm going to do with my heat. And then I've got to do a whole bunch of wiring. So stay tuned for all that stuff. But yeah, that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please like the video and consider subscribing. See you next time.